Welcome back to the course of Metrology and Measurement. I am Dr. Gautam Pal, Associate Professor of ME Department, University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Today, my topics of discussion is random errors. So, in the previous module, I have discussed about systematic error, that is consisting of the error due to calibration, error due to ambient conditions like temperature, pressure, and humidity, and also the error due to deformation of the workpiece. And also, I have discussed some of the avoidable errors, that is datum errors, reading and parallax errors, error due to misalignment, and also the error zero error. Today I shall discuss a very important topic, that is called random error. So in the random error, we do not assume what is the cause of this error actually. Now, in this random error provide a random variation when measurement of the physical quantity are carried out. So these variation are unpredictable. Okay, we cannot determine the cause of this variation. So since these variations are unpredictable and uncontrollable also, they are also called random in nature. So the random error, for the evaluation of the random error, we use the statistical analysis. We use the statistical analysis, and after repetitive experiment, this random error can be reduced, and this random error is related to the precision of the instrument or precision of the measurement. So you have already discussed that systematic error are related to the accuracy of the measurement, and random error is related to the precision of the measurement. So in the next figure, I will show you what is the difference between accuracy and the precision. So if the measured value lies within a narrow range, then it is called precise. If this is the mean value or the your measured value, and it is the true value. If the curve lies within this range, then your product will be accurate as well as precise. But there is a bias between the mean. Suppose you have taken 100 reading, and the mean of this 100 reading is this one, which deviates from the actual value. So this is deviation is called the systematic error, and it is related to the accuracy of the measurement, and precision is the related to the this width of the dispersion of the reading. Now when the width is very narrow, then we can say that these are very precise. The jobs are produced precisely. Now there are some causes of random error, which are the not causes but the sources of random error. That is the presence of transient fluctuation frictional part in engraved scale division. So, and the plane linkages of the measuring instrument, if there are due to prolonged use, if there is a wear and tear in the linkages among the two mating linkages, then there may be these causes of random error may happen. And errors in operator's judgment in reading the fractional part of engraved scale division. This is also the cause of random error. An operator's inability to note the reading because fluctuation during measurement. Suppose a reflection type instrument, the it is very sensitive, and due to this fluctuation the pointer will fluctuate very much. So in that case, this operator cannot judge what is the actual reading, then the random error may happen. And positional errors associated with the measured object and standard. So uh, with the this random error cannot be reduced by the calibration, but it can be reduced by repetitive measurement and taking the statistical analysis of these measurement values. So random error, I have already discussed that it is related to the precision of measurement, and it is different from the systematic error in the sense that systematic error are related to the accuracy and cannot be detected uh, easily, but random error can be detected easily, but the causes or of random error are unpredictable and uncontrollable, but systematic error can be controlled or avoided. So thank you.